Hey guys, welcome back. Nate Cranston, I'm with Scott Menefee here today. We're in the Weller Automatics department here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So today we're going to go through some of the features on the Allison DOC Premium. Allison DOC Premium came out January 1st of 2025. All right, Scott, so let's get started. We're going to first do a clutch test here. So Scott's going to walk through how to do a clutch test on Allison DOC Premium.
All right, so obviously you got to be connected to the truck first. This is a dynamometer, so a little bit different. But anyway, we're going to go into our clutch test mode in the Allison DOC software. So go to your action request, and then we'll click on the run button, and then just give that just a second, let it load up, do its thing. We do have to meet some required specifications first, some parameters. So engine idle, and then obviously trans fluid temperature. And then we also have to be in neutral on the keypad, the push button shift selector in the Allison transmission. So we'll go ahead and put that in neutral. And then now we can go ahead and it should let us go on to the next step. And let's see. Double check, make sure everything is good, and now we're good. Now we can click on next. And now we're in, and we're in the clutch test mode. So now what we're gonna do, and in the truck you'd put the left foot on the brake, right foot on the throttle, and we'll actually go ahead and just hit the D or the drive button. We're gonna put it in range. And then now you can go ahead and select whatever suspect range you have. We'll start in first gear. And then that should gray out. It doesn't always gray out, just give it a second. But it will show you that you're in the first range, you're commanded first, and you're in the first range. And then always remember to turn on your main pressure. Turn that on, you don't want a false test. And what you're looking for is turbine speed right here. We want to make sure turbine speed stays at 0 in each range. And we'll take it up to 1500 RPMs. And basically you're going to hold it there for about 10 seconds. After that 10 seconds, you'll take it back down to an idle. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and turn our main pressure back off. And then we'll go into second range using the software. And we can do each range as needed. Once it's in second, you'll see that attain range is now in second range. We'll turn our main pressure back on. And then we'll take it to the 1500 RPMs and hold it there for about 10 seconds. We should be able to see our input speed. And then we're looking for turbine. Turbine needs to stay at 0. If turbine speed comes up during the clutch test, it tells us within that range we have an internal issue. Most likely it's time for a new transmission. So we'll turn our main pressure off after we come back to an idle. And then we'll shift into the next range. You can do each range, or you can just do your suspect range. So if you have like a PO 734 with a 4th gear ratio code, you can go directly to 4th gear and check that range. Remember to turn your main pressure on, and you're looking for turbine speed. If turbine speed comes up, you're slipping inside the transmission, most likely time for a new transmission. All right, hey, catch us on the next video. Have a great day.